welcome to the session. In this video we discuss the problem related to linear regression. So the question is like this. You have a table of 5 weeks sales data. On the x-axis you have the sales, on the y-axis you have the month, and y-axis you have the sales in months. So in the last video, please refer the video on math behind linear equation, where we saw how to compute A0 and A1. So this is the equation you have. So now we have to rewrite the table, write the first column, second column as it is. Now in order to find A1, A0, I need to find xi square and xi into yi. Xi square is just square up all this first column. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and so on. Find xi into yi, multiply the first column with second column. So you get xi, yi. Then take the sum of each column. Sum of xi is 15, sum of yi is 12.6, sum of xi square is 55, sum of xi yi is 44.4. Now you need to find xi bar. Xi bar is nothing but average of xi. I got the sum of xi as 15 from the first column. So 15 by 5, because 5 is the number of samples that you have. So xi bar is 15 by 5. The sum we already calculated, divided by 5 is 3. Average of y. Again we have taken the sum as 12.6. So 12.6 divided by 5 is 2.52. Take the average of xi square. Xi square sum is 55, divided by 5 you get 11. You found xi yi, the sum is 44.4, divided by 5, I get 8.88. Now find A0 and A1. First you find A1. xy bar I am getting 8.88, x bar is 3, y bar is nothing but average, that is 2.52, divided by xi square. See, I found the xi square as 11. Write 11 here. X bar square, I didn't find x bar square, I just found x bar. X bar is 3, so take 3 square. So please don't make mistake here. Xi square is 11. I have found the average of xi square as 11, but I just found x bar. X bar is 3, that's why you have to take the square of this and not this. Don't do it as 11 square. Okay, so you get the value as 0.66. Substitute that here. Y bar is again 2.52, x bar is 3, so you get A0 as 0.54. So these are the coordinates of your linear regression, A0 and A1. Now you draw the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the weeks. In the months in the x-axis, you have the sales in the y-axis. For the week month, for the month 1, I got the sales as 1.2, that's plotted here. For the month 2, I got the sales as 1.8, that's plotted here. For the month 3, see the table. For month 3, I got the sales as 2.6, plotted here. Like that you plot this data points, join it, you get the line. So the best fit line is where I have this A0 and A1 values. The equation is y is equal to A0 plus A1 AX. A0 you get 0.54, A1 is 0.66. Now to predict the 7th month sale, just take the value of x as 7, you get 5.16 as the sale.